Hi, this is just a quick video of what I've been up to lately. I've been posting and editing some trip videos from the winter, and so I want to keep you guys posted on what's going on in the garage. I haven't been in the garage as much as I'd like. The kiddo's been sick off and on, and with work it's just not enough hours in the day. I'm sure everyone can relate to that. I've been riding the Yamaha a little bit, not too much. And then I've been riding the little Suzuki a bit. That's why I've been taking that one to work lately. And then the wife's been out on her bike once, and I've taken it for a few rides. And I'm in the middle of working on the sidekick right now. I had a lack of power issue, and the intake was a little gummed up, so I pulled that off to clean it out. And I figured I'd pull the valve cover off at the same time, just to inspect the cam and the rocker arms and that kind of stuff, make sure everything seemed like it was adjusted okay. So that's kind of on the go. I'm almost ready to start putting it back together. And there's some of the there's the intake in there. So it's all cleaned up, still have to clean the gasket off though. And then here's the Pontiac. I haven't had a chance to work on this for a while. I have a bunch of stuff ready to weld in. I have just been too busy to work on it. I got this piece here all made up. It's ready to go in and get welded. I got this outer piece here made up too. It's ready to go in. It just kind of sits over here like so. And then this piece here needs to come out as well. And I've already got, for the most part, it's ready to go as well. I just need some time to work on it. But it's coming together nicely. I'm getting a little antsy to finish it off. I'd like to get it done sooner than later and be able to start driving it. So I was thinking of maybe making these videos a regular thing and just giving a quick talk about what I'm working on. So we're starting to get into the summer now, so I'm not going to be working on stuff quite as much. Hopefully I'll be out riding the bike and going to the beach and enjoying the sun. But I thought maybe that might be an easy way to just let people know what's kind of going on and what I'm kind of tinkering with, so they know what to expect on upcoming videos. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button. You also have the option now to sign up for a membership, which is pretty awesome too. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.